Next module 10, express 24 upon 72 as a rational number with required numerator minus 2. Here change 24 by minus 2. Given numerator 24, required numerator minus 2. First you can divide both numerator to get what number is to be divided. Remember here, when the numerator or denominator of the given fraction is smaller than the numerator or denominator of the required fraction, will multiply both of them by required common factor. Now answer is minus 2 by minus 6. So it's changed as required numerator minus 2. Next one, D. Numerator given 24, required 12. What is to be divided? 24 divided by 12 gives 2. So 2 is to be divided on numerator or denominator both. But in the case when the numerator and denominator of the given fraction is greater, numerator or denominator of the given fraction is greater than the given, 12 is less than, it is greater, in that case the denominator of the required fraction, we divide the both of them by common factor. Next module 11, express 17 upon 22 as a rational number by having denominator minus 44. What is to be multiplied 22 to gives minus 44? Minus 2. It's converted as the required denominator also. Next one, 88. 88 divided by 22, it gives 4. Therefore 4 is to be multiplied to get 88. Remember the previous point, when numerator or denominator of the given fraction is smaller, here denominator is smaller than numerator or denominator is smaller than the given, so we should multiply of both of them by common factor. Next, D part, fill in the blanks. After dividing minus 3, it will happen. So here divided also minus 3. Answer is minus 4. Next one, 3 4s are 12. Answer is, what is to be multiplied? 4 with the sign of multiplication. 4. Here also 3 3 9, multiply by minus 3 on both. 9 as numerator, therefore denominator will not be changed. So denominator is minus 45. Comes on module 12, express each of the following rational numbers in standard form. Standard form requires divide the numerator and denominator by highest common factor and make the denominator positive. So now this is also in reduced form or lowest form, therefore we should divide by minus 1 to make denominator positive. That's the answer is minus 7 by 3. Here taking SCF 8 or 20, therefore is 4. Now divide 4, numerator and denominator both, that is 2 upon 5. 28 upon minus 36, SCF of both is 4. Therefore make the denominator positive, we take minus 4 for divide, therefore answer is minus 7 upon 9. यार बंद हो जा।